Your flight is delayed. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours. Suddenly, your travel day turns into a waiting day. If you've ever been stuck at an airport, watching the screen change again and again, you know the feeling. You're tired, you're annoyed, you're confused, and worst of all, you have to explain everything in English. You want to ask questions. You want updates. You want food vouchers. Maybe even a new flight. But how do you say all that clearly and calmly in English? Let's talk about it. Flight delays are more common than we like. Bad weather, technical issues, airport problems. It happens. But if you know the right phrases, you can stay calm, ask for what you need, and keep control of your travel plans. This lesson will guide you through how to talk about delayed flights, rebook tickets, and get help at the airport. In simple, real English, how to ask about a delay. Let's say you're at the airport. The screen shows delayed. No explanation. No one is announcing anything. Here are some simple ways to ask for information. Hi, can you tell me why the flight is delayed? Do you know when the new departure time is? Is there any update on Flight 21? Will this delay affect my connection? These sentences are short, polite, and easy to remember. You can use them at the airline desk or with airport staff, talking about your situation. Sometimes you need to explain your problem, especially if you have connecting flights, meetings, or reservations. Try saying, I have another flight after this one. Will I miss it? I have a hotel booked tonight. Can I change my ticket? I need to be there today. Are there other flights? Is it possible to switch to another airline? Even if they can't fix everything, they'll try to help, especially if you speak clearly and calmly. Useful airport vocabulary. Here are words and phrases you might hear or need to say. Departure, when your flight leaves arrival. When your flight gets in gate. Where you board your flight boarding pass. Your ticket to get on the plane connection. Another flight you take after this one layover. The time between flights reschedule, rebook. Change your flight time voucher. Money or credit for food or hotel canceled. Flight is not happening at all standby. Waiting for a seat on another flight. Knowing these words helps you understand announcements and ask the right questions. What to say when your flight is canceled. This is worse than a delay, but it happens. Don't panic. Go to the airline desk and say, Hi, I just saw my flight was canceled. Can you help me rebook another flight? Is there a flight later today or tomorrow? Will the airline provide a hotel or food voucher? If you've missed a connection, my flight was canceled. I missed my connection. Can I speak to someone about options? Always be polite. The airline staff didn't cancel your flight, but they can help you. Talking to other passengers. Sometimes the best help is another traveler. If you're both waiting for the same flight, don't be afraid to talk. Try saying, Is this the line for Flight 350? Did they say why it's delayed? Do you know where to go for rebooking? These small conversations can save you time and make waiting a little more human. Staying calm, even when you're tired, travel problems are stressful, but stress doesn't help your English. If you feel overwhelmed, take a breath. Then use phrases like, Sorry, I'm a bit stressed. English isn't my first language. Can you please speak slowly? Can you write that down? Most airport staff are trained to help international travelers. If they see you're trying, they'll try too. You're at the desk. Let's imagine a natural conversation. You're at the gate. Your flight is delayed. You, "Hi, can I ask about flight 812? The screen says delayed. Agent, "Yes, it's due to bad weather. The new departure time is 8:45 p.m. You, "Oh, I have a connection in London. Will I miss it?" Agent, "Possibly. We can rebook you if needed at the next desk." You, "Okay, thank you. One more thing. Are there any food vouchers?" Agent, "Yes, here's one for $15. You can use it in any restaurant." You, "Thanks for your help." Short, simple, effective. You didn't argue. You stayed clear. You got what you needed. Before your trip, write 5 to 10 travel-related phrases in your phone or notebook. Example, "Can I get help rebooking my flight? My bag is missing. Where is the gate for flight 99? What's the delay about?" Practice saying them out loud. This prepares your brain for real situations. Delayed flights are frustrating. Canceled flights are worse. But getting stuck in an airport doesn't mean getting stuck in English. You don't need perfect grammar to ask a question. You don't need a big vocabulary to explain your situation. You just need calm, clear, simple words and a little practice. Next time your flight is late, you'll be ready because you've already prepared your most powerful tool, your voice. Practice out loud, try different styles, and soon it will feel completely natural. Thank you for practicing with me today. See you in the next lesson.